Hello everyone, and welcome back to Machines Visit. Have you ever wondered how something as small as a lemon becomes a global powerhouse of flavor? Every year, American farmers produce more than 2.5 billion pounds of lemons. Yet the real story behind these bright yellow fruits is far more surprising than most people imagine. Lemons are famous for their sharp, refreshing taste, but they also carry a powerful dose of vitamin C, helping boost health while adding life to dishes and drinks across the world. But behind every lemon you squeeze into your water or recipe lies a long, fascinating journey. Today we're uncovering what really happens to lemons, starting deep inside massive lemon orchards where farmers carefully harvest every fruit by hand. From there, the lemons travel to advanced processing plants where technology takes over, transforming them into products used around the globe. So step inside the vibrant and energetic world of lemons, because this journey is far more dramatic than you might expect. Let's begin. Now, let's talk about lemons. These bright, tangy fruits belong to the species Citrus limon, known for their vibrant yellow peel, refreshing aroma, and unmistakable sour kick. In the United States, most lemons are grown in California, Arizona, and Florida, three states blessed with warm climates, long hours of sunshine, and rich soil that create perfect conditions for citrus farming. Lemons usually take 6 to 9 months to grow from delicate blossoms into fully mature fruit, ready for harvest. When summer finally arrives, the orchards come alive with activity. Skilled farmers move through the rows of trees, carefully picking each lemon by hand. Every fruit must meet strict quality standards, because even a tiny mistake can ruin its market value. It's a slow, precise process designed to protect the freshness and flavor that make lemons so valuable. Before sunrise, across the enormous lemon orchards of California, the harvesting begins. The cool morning air helps protect the fruit, while farmers work quickly yet carefully. Using their hands or simple tools like pruning shears, they gently remove lemons from the branches without damaging the delicate skin. It may look simple, but this job requires incredible attention to detail. Even the smallest scratch or blemish on the peel can lower the lemon's quality and price. Once picked, the lemons are placed into soft-lined baskets that prevent bruising. When the baskets fill up, farmers transfer the fruit into larger field containers positioned throughout the orchard. These containers are then gathered and prepared for transport. Harvesting lemons completely by hand not only protects their natural quality, it also reflects the dedication and patience of farmers who handle every single fruit. From the moment a lemon leaves the tree to the moment it reaches consumers, every step is carefully controlled to preserve its freshness and signature taste. After harvesting, the containers filled with freshly picked lemons are quickly transported to the collection area of a processing facility. This is where the real transformation begins. The journey from orchard to finished product requires careful planning, advanced machinery, and strict food safety standards. First, large containers are emptied onto an automated conveyor system. Slowly moving belts carry the lemons toward the cleaning area, where the first stage of processing begins. Powerful washing systems spray clean water over fruit, removing dirt, dust, and field residue. In many modern facilities, rotating 360-degree spray nozzles ensure that every lemon is washed thoroughly from every possible angle. Once cleaned, the lemons move forward along the conveyor, where fixed drying pads gently remove remaining water from the surface. These pads, often made from soft rubber or fabric, dry the fruit quickly while protecting the natural glossy appearance that makes lemons visually appealing. After drying, the lemons enter the sorting area, where advanced technology takes control. Automated machines equipped with cameras and light sensors carefully analyze each lemon. The system measures size, color, and overall uniformity within seconds. Based on these results, the machines separate lemons into different groups, such as large, medium, and small sizes. Some are selected for international export, while others are prepared for domestic markets. This automated sorting saves an enormous amount of time and reduces human error. Yet skilled workers still supervise the process closely. They watch for defect machines might miss and remove any lemons that show internal damage or subtle imperfections. Even with powerful technology, human experience still plays an important role in maintaining quality. Once the machines finish sorting, lemons that meet the required standards move to a final inspection stage. Here, Trained workers carefully examine each fruit again. They remove lemons that show bruises, marks, or other flaws that would make them unsuitable for premium markets. Only the best lemons move forward. From there, the fruit enters a packaging area where it is arranged into colorful mesh bags or strong cardboard boxes, depending on the needs of different markets. Each package is labeled with important information, including weight, origin, and quality certifications. In many modern facilities, packaging and labeling are completely automated. Robotic systems fill, seal, and label packages with impressive speed and accuracy, ensuring the lemons are prepared efficiently before shipping to stores around the world. But here's where the story becomes even more interesting. Not every lemon is perfect enough to be sold fresh. Instead of being wasted, these lemons are sent to a special processing section where they are transformed into valuable products such as lemon liquor or concentrated lemon juice. First, the fruit enters an automatic peeling machine that carefully removes the outer peel without damaging the inside. This peel is extremely valuable because it contains powerful essential oils responsible for lemon's intense fragrance. The collected peel is sent to a separate processing area dedicated to producing lemon-based liquor. In this stage, the peel is cleaned, chopped, and soaked in containers filled with pure alcohol, such as vodka or food-grade ethanol. Over 20 to 40 days, the alcohol slowly extracts the essential oils from the peel, creating a rich lemon-infused liquid. Once the infusion process is complete, the mixture is filtered to remove leftover peel pieces. What remains is a fragrant citrus liquor that becomes the base for famous drinks like Limoncello. Additional ingredients are blended in according to special recipes before the finished liquor moves to the bottling line. Automated systems fill each bottle with precise measurements, seal them securely, and apply detailed labels. The bottles are then packed into boxes and prepared for distribution. But the story doesn't end there. Once the peel has been removed, the remaining fruit pulp still holds something incredibly valuable: lemon juice. Instead of discarding it, the pulp moves into the juicing area where powerful extraction machines press out every possible drop. The fresh juice then passes through filtration systems that remove seeds and leftover pulp particles. After filtering, the juice is gently pasteurized at controlled temperatures. This process helps preserve its natural flavor and nutrients while ensuring it remains safe for consumers. Finally, the purified lemon juice travels through an automated bottling system where each bottle is filled, sealed, labeled, and packed into shipping cartons ready for the global market. Alongside yellow lemons, another citrus variety plays a major role in the industry: green lemons, commonly known as Persian limes. These fruits have smooth green skin, almost no seeds, and a sharp, refreshing taste that makes them perfect for cooking and drinks. Like yellow lemons, Persian limes are harvested carefully once they reach the right size and ripeness, while still maintaining their bright green color. Farmers pick them by hand and quickly transport them to processing facilities where they go through similar cleaning, sorting, and packaging procedures. Every step is designed to protect the vibrant taste and freshness that consumers expect. So now you've seen the incredible journey behind one of the world's most common fruits. Every year, American farmers harvest and process billions of pounds of lemons, combining advanced technology with the careful work of dedicated people. What seems like a simple fruit actually passes through a complex system of farming, engineering, and processing before it reaches your kitchen. Thanks for joining us on this fascinating journey. If you enjoyed discovering the hidden story behind lemons, leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Machines Visit for more amazing stories about agriculture and food production. We'll see you in the next video.